Hi, everyone. I have something really fascinating to share with you today, partly inspired by, where are you, buddy? He might come back, by our little guy, Rocky, but also because if you're someone you might consider yourself an HSP, highly sensitive person, do you feel like you're really affected by the electromagnetic frequencies and just the demands of our days and the things coming at us? I think this will really be of interest. So in the new year, I kept seeing things about sound fork resonances and frequencies and things to help calm you based on our own body's resonance with energy. And our little guy, Rocky, here he is. This is our Whoops, this is our little guy, Rocky. And we adopted Rocky and another dog, Cricket, from Mexico in June. And he's our more nervous dog. Yes, I was saying, oh, yeah. And we've done a lot with him. We've done training, we've done natural homeopathic things, we've done medications. He's starting to settle down, but right now he's not on the medications. And, there's times when he's still quite anxious and things going on. And so I saw this Facebook post about a product called the Schumann, and it works with the frequencies that we can connect our bodies to help calm and focus. But the main one that we're connecting to is what's called the frequency of the Earth's heartbeat. So the Schumann is a device that's really simple to use. And I haven't opened it yet. We're going to open it together. There are two versions. This is version 2 called the Pro. This is version 1. So version 1, you know what? Rocky's sitting here so interestingly. He doesn't usually sit with me. So is this a signal? I think so. Welcome to the Schumann family. Join us as we unveil something truly groundbreaking. Welcome to your frequency journey. So this is the V1. There is a QR code to scan to get details, and we open it up. Okay, this is inside the box. So we have, this is the V1. And it's really, I have looked into how to use this, and it's really so easy. You literally plug it in and start it, and that's it. The V1 operates on one frequency, the frequency of the Earth's heartbeat, 7.83 hertz. So it's like getting grounded, going out and getting grounded. Oh, wow, it's really beautiful. What a beautiful device. So this is the device. Okay. And this is your charging cord, and it will work up to 190 square feet. So this is sort of the base model. You can't go wrong because there's nothing to figure out. You just plug it in and use it. So you could place this by your bed to help with sleep. You could place it in your work area just to be more calm. This one's going to go where Rocky is hanging out. Okay, most of the time he's in a certain area where he sleeps and hangs out. So I'm going to be placing this and just having this around him, and I'll give you my feedback on that. And now the V2, this is the V2. Got it open, and yeah, it's gorgeous. It's actually gorgeous packaging. And so again, it gives you the QR code, and your warranty is, yes, 1 year warranty. And this one has a little more operations because it gives you the ability to change the frequencies. So this one operates between 0.1 to 999.99 hertz, and it works in a 250 feet square area. This is the model that you use to change the frequencies based on what you want to adapt to. So maybe you want a lot of focus or some really targeted frequency work for something that you are doing. Maybe you're studying, maybe you're preparing for a presentation, maybe you're working with a client, or maybe you want to meditate. And so this one, here it is, they are really beautifully designed. So this is the one that I'm going to play with to work with for focus and doing projects, and then meditating, and then maybe even working with when I do my fascia flow, and just to see how it may change or help assist the things that I'm doing in the day. So these are the two products, the Schumann version 1 and the 2 Pro. Again, the 1 is the model that really is the set it, forget it model, really simple to use. And you could just put it in your bedroom or your work area. And then the V2 Pro is the one that offers the ability to change the frequencies. Mr. Rocky is still here. It's really interesting because, like I said, I had a lot of messages almost in the new year. I've been thinking about this since January, and I was looking into all of these ideas. I was going to get a tuning fork, and then I came across this so by chance. It was just like something popped up in my feed and I had never seen it before. And I really felt like it was calling me. And he's really hanging around right now when usually Cricket is the one who's hanging around me. So maybe he's saying, yes, Mom, this is for me. So I will report back and let you know what I think of it and how it helped me and how it helps Mr. Rocky. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your viewership. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, give me a comment, let me know what you would like to experience or if you're going to look into it, and we'll report back. Myself and Rocky will report back. Yes, we will. I know. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon.